animals in the wild can defeat the tough crocodile. Let's talk about the 5 animals that can defeat a crocodile. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Number 1. The jaguar. In South American rainforest, jaguars feed on crocodiles after hunting them and defeating them in a fight. Jaguars have a strong bite force. They also love swimming, which adds to their advantage in this scenario. Unlike other big cats, jaguars love water and don't shy away from it. They like living near rivers and feeding on fishes and baby crocodiles. This fact helps them in defeating the crocodiles. Moreover, the other big cats attack their prey by clamping their jaws around the prey's neck and suffocating them to death. However, jaguars don't attack this way. They puncture the crocodile with strong bites. They have powerful jaw muscle mass that helps them in this eliminating technique. Jaguars bite the back of the crocodile's head, strongly enforcing their canines into the prey's head. Number 2. Anaconda. Anacondas, or water boas, are snakes of the genus Eunectes. Now, in tropical South America, anacondas can win in the fight against a single crocodile. Anacondas feed on fishes, rodents, jaguars, and crocodiles. It is also not uncommon for female anacondas to eat males. The interesting phenomenon is how the anacondas swallow whatever huge animal they eat. It can take them 5 hours to swallow a crocodile. It can be strange to imagine the possibility of anaconda winning against the crocodile. The anacondas are very muscular. They are a constrictor and have sharp teeth and strong jaws. The anacondas use their strong features to attack onto the crocodile by grabbing their neck and suffocating them. At times, they also grab the crocodile's neck, bite it, and drown it underwater. And number 3, the hippopotamus. Up next, a hippopotamus can easily defeat a crocodile. Note that it is the only animal discussed up until now that does not kill the crocodile in order to eat it. Hippopotamus are mostly herbivorous and semi-aquatic mammals. Their diet mainly consists of only grass and sometimes aquatic plants. However, hippos can be among the top most dangerous animals in the world. They have an aggressive nature, and it is hard to predict the hippo's next move. Hippos become threatened by loss of habitat. Crocodiles share their habitat with the hippopotamuses, and this often leads to a fight between the two. It is common for the hippo to eventually kill the crocodile in the fight if they feel their habitat is threatened. Hippos attack the crocodiles by their long teeth and huge mouths into the crocodile's flesh. Their ivory canines cut open the thick crocodile skin. Hence, hippos, we must say, are quite experts in defending themselves against the crocodiles. Number 4. Killer whale. Killer whales are whales with 2, and they belong to the oceanic dolphin family. The diet of the killer whale is quite diverse. Being apex predators, no animals dares to prey on killer whales. Hence, it's no surprise that in a fight between the crocodile and the killer whale wins. No matter how much the saltwater crocodile weighs, it can weigh more than 1,000 kilograms, yet it would not be a problem for the killer whale to defeat it. The weight of the killer whale is just too much for the crocodile to harm it. Moreover, the orca is a mammal. Mammals are more intelligent, and thus orca uses tactics that easily kill the seawater crocodile. The crocodile's mouth is not big enough to grab and bite the head of the orca. Number 5. Tiger. behind, relying on stealth to kill their prey. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you can be notified of the next amazing